Hey, welcome back. So we're going to be talking about building a page. I'm going to show you page examples and whatnot. And the thing that you really need to understand in this module is you're going to get someone else to do it. Whether you go on Fiverr or you go on the site that I'm going to show you in the next video, Upwork. And I highly suggest Upwork because you can get it done for $30 to $50 and it's really clean, very professional. But I'm going to show you the pages that you want first. So first thing is first, do not do this on your own. Like I keep saying, you can get this taken care of for less than $30 to $50 depending on how complex you want your page to be. So with that being said, let's actually go and look at some bridge pages in just a few minutes. But first I want to give you the basic concept. So a bridge page has one purpose, okay? So when creating a bridge page, your bridge will be from your website to the CPA offer itself. So here it is, ready? You get the click from Facebook, and then what happens is they're taken to your bridge page. Now your bridge page bridges the click, okay? So it takes the click and brings them to a CPA offer. The bridge is your actual page. Very simple concept here. The reason being is because Facebook doesn't allow direct linking, obviously, and you can also pre-qualify the lead before they reach your CPA offer. And you can do a lot of other things as well. You can add retargeting pixels onto your own bridge page. You can also build an email list from your own bridge page. There's a lot of things you can do with your own bridge page. Very, very important that you realize exactly the potential with a bridge page. You can do this one of two ways. On your bridge page, you can have a click to continue, right? Link on the bridge page. So I'll show you that in just a few minutes. So you can have a click to continue button, or you can make them micro commit. Basically, this is where you get their name and email in order for them to get the offer. So this is a little bit more advanced, but the pages I'm going to show you work this way, so this is exactly how you're going to be working as well, because of the fact that when you build up a list of thousands of people, all you have to do is send out, another offer to the whole list, people open it, and boom, you're getting cash pretty much on command, right? So that's how this works. So here are some pages, and this is a micro commitment example. Ready? So right here is a micro commitment. More of actually, excuse me, more of a call to action than anything else. So essentially what this would be here is apply now, get up to a $1,000 cash loan in 2 minutes. So how much money do you want? You want $100 and click apply now and boom, okay? So essentially processing, blah, 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 applying for a payday loan. Now keep an eye on here. Now basically, I say keep an eye on here, but what they did is they actually iframed, okay? They iframed the offer here. Then you just click continue. But essentially what would happen here is you would take them to an offer. So when they click, how much do you want, right? They want $900, apply now. They will be taken to your CPA offer, okay? This is how it works. Very simple and easy to understand. This is easypaydayapproval.com. Nothing complex here. Keep this in mind. It's nothing complex at all. Very simple and easy to understand. So we go ahead and look at the very next one. Let me see if it was here. African Mango Plus, okay? So we're actually going to be talking about the last one right now. Auto finance options, and then we're going to talk about African Mango Plus. Just so we order, let me just go back here and actually get the African Mango Plus link for you. And then we'll talk about the actual crunch. Okay, so basically, again, like I said, this is a little bit of a micro commitment. They choose how much money they want. They click apply now. That means they're ready to get their $900, and you take them to, the trial offer. You take them to the payday loan, etc. You really have to position it around your offer and your niche. So here's one for a hardcore micro commitment. Now, what this is an actual CPA offer. However, I know the person who designed this page, and basically what they did was they collected all this information. Why did they collect all this information? Here's the thing. They sold them, okay? They were selling the leads directly to the company. So they knew what product it was. They were selling the leads directly to the company. Not only that, but they also were calling the leads and selling them on other CPA offers that were $2,000, $3,000, $4,000 packages, right? So the reach, okay, the reach for these type of things is huge. You can do a lot. If you have leads like this, you can literally do anything you want. The world is yours. Okay, keep that in mind right now. First name, last name, email, country, address, start my order. And it's very, very easy to get a page like this created. All the hardcore graphics and whatnot you can get done for under $100. And then put the page. So basically a page like this would cost you $150 to create. But imagine you get one lead that pays you $1,000, right? right? So again, there's a lot you can do here. I'm just giving you a lot of examples on what is possible. So you have autofinanceoptions.com. Now here's one where people micro commit. Email, zip, and then apply now. And basically what happens here is, as you can see, this is the same exact type of website, okay? I need you to realize something right now. This right here is a CPA offer, okay? It's iframed. It is iframed right now. So there's definitely other stuff around here. It's currently iframed. That's why it's just like this, okay? Very easy. If you go and get somebody to put this website for you together, it would cost you $80, okay? Tell them you want them to iframe the offer, and it put your offer in an iframe like this. So right after you get the information, right? You didn't even have to enter anything. You click apply now and you can get it, okay? You see how that works? Very simple. These pages convert like wildfire. Okay, keep that in mind. Right now they are doing so well that if you're not using any type of pages like this, you want to be. Now, really quickly, a page like this is probably your best bet because you can get paid with Google AdSense, okay, if you want to have that, or you can actually go and get the money from the CPA offer. So there's a lot of different revenue streams and working around this. And again, I really like to focus on diversifying your income. Now again, I know it's a lot about CPA marketing and Facebook ads. However, whether or not you want to do third-party lead generation for other companies, you want to sell your leads to other companies, you want to be a broker for leads for a bigger company, this is the way to do it. All right, this is the way to do it, especially right here. This is the way to do it. Right? If you're paying $30 a lead, you can sell them for $120 a lead. Now, I don't know how many of you know Peter Parks, but this is what he does. Okay, now I know he did this. He ran a multi-million-dollar company. When I talk multi-million, I'm talking over $25 million doing this, brokering leads and using CPA offers. Again, using CPA offers and brokering leads, same exact thing. You're just getting paid less for the CPA offers. But I'm going to keep you on track here because we're only focusing on CPA offers, and I'm going to let you decide which route you want to go, because once you have the name and email, right? Once you have the name and email or even all their information, the world is yours. Okay? The world is literally yours. You can go out and you can say, hey, look, I have this huge database of people who are looking for car insurance, age, number, etc. People buy data, okay? That's why sites like this and even offers like this pay $20 to $30 per lead. Meanwhile, they're paying the affiliate network, Neverblue and whatnot, $100 for every single lead. Okay, keep that in mind right now. Very, very powerful. People pay for data, and if you can collect data, you will easily make a ton of money. Now, if you want to just add a link in there and have people sent to the link, good on you. But what I'd say is have something like this page right here. Not only do they get the address and email, not only do they get the email and zip code, they also get the quote right here, okay? So automatically get the quote, get the money. They get the database and as well as the quote and the CPA offer. So as you can see, waiting for paydaylendersearch.com, and this is a CPA offer. All right, so again, very important you realize what is happening here. It is very, very, very powerful. So with that being said, we went through everything, okay? The quote style page and whatnot. So really, it's really important that you follow along here on what we did. It's really simple to get these pages created. Now, here's some do's and don'ts. Here's some do's. Disclaimers on every page is a must. Every page must have a terms of service, privacy policy, and contact us page. Now, I'm going to show you the pages that we just went over. And I'm going to show you right here. As you can see, they have terms, frequently asked questions, contact us, etc. So they're up to date with their policies. Let's see, this page needs to have policies right here because this is pretty much a sales page about terms of service, contact us. And this right here, of course, apply, contact, and little terms at the bottom right here, rates and terms, etc. So every page that you create needs to have this. Needs to have this. And if you're wondering how you can word your own, literally go in and copy theirs, okay? Go in, copy, and enter your own information. Again, it's not illegal to do that. You can easily go in and just copy their information. So the disclaimers are a must. You want to put a snippet of text under the page at the bottom. And let's take a look at the first page that I just showed you. You see this text right here? This is going to cover your butt when working with Facebook ads. This little text right here. Not only do you have the satisfaction of having the links in there, the how it works, the frequently asked questions, about us, etc. All those links at the bottom of your own page. Really, all you need is a disclaimer, terms of service, and contact us. But if you add this right here, your ass is covered. Excuse my language, but this is how we're going about it. Your butt is covered 100%. And there's no reason you should be banned unless you're making unrealistic claims, such as, yeah, we're lending $1 million to every person that applies. Okay, it's unrealistic. It's not how it happens. All right, so keep that in mind for your bridge page. Now, here are some don'ts that I want you to keep in mind right now. Don't add an exit pop-up. If you're doing an exit pop-up, you're automatically going to get banned. Facebook does not deal with exit pop-ups, period. Don't add disclaimers. Oh, I'm sorry. Big claims, okay? Big claims. I said disclaimers. But it should be big claims. I don't know why it was changed. So here we go. Do not add unrealistic claims here. Very, very, very important. If you're adding unrealistic claims, you can automatically get banned. So let me put unrealistic claims. You want to add disclaimers, but don't want to have unrealistic claims, and don't use images that may or may not offend people. And what this means is, such as if you're really going after more of the weight loss than anything, if you put a picture of an obese person, Facebook is automatically going to delete the ad, but not delete your account. They'll just tell you, look, you can't use that picture. If you put somebody with abs up on Facebook ads, they're not going to allow you to run the ad just because it's favoritism, right? So you kind of have to find a balance in what Facebook actually likes, and keep that in mind when you're creating everything here. So in the next video, we will cover exactly how to get an outsourcer to do this for you for very cheap, under 30, less than $100. Okay, I'm going to put it less than $100 as a little asterisk here. So again, thanks a lot, and I'll see you in the next video.